Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a very interesting question from the topic function. This question is very important for IIT and RMO point of view. The question is, it is given that fx is defined on R, satisfying f of 1 is equal to 1 and for all x belongs to R, f of x plus 5 is always greater than equal to fx plus 5 and f of x plus 1 is less than equal to fx plus 1. If g of x is equal to f of x plus 1 minus x, what we need to find? We need to calculate the value of g of 2001. Now, I am going to project solution of this problem. Now, what is given? It is given that f of 1 is equal to 1, f of x plus 5 is greater than equal to f of x plus 5. Say this is equation 1 and f of x plus 1 is less than equal to f of x plus 1. Say this is equation number 2. Now from equation 2, what can we conclude? Can we say f of x is greater than equal to f of x plus 1 minus 1 from equation 2. Now putting the value of this in equation 1, what can we draw conclusion? F of x plus 5 is greater than f of x plus 5. So instead of fx, say this is greater than f of x plus 1 plus 4. Now what we have done here, f of x plus 1 is less than equal to fx plus 1. So fx is greater than f of x plus 1 minus 1. Now putting the value of this fx greater than equal to f of x plus 1 minus 1 in equation 1. So what we find? We find f of x plus 5 is greater than equal to f of x plus 1 plus 4. Now let us suppose that this is equation number 3. Now from equation 3, f of x plus 1 is always greater than equal to f of x plus 2 minus 1. Now what we have done in this step, simply replacing x to x plus 1, and what about x plus 1? This is x plus 2 minus 1. So what we find? So f of x plus 1 is greater than f of x plus 2 minus 1. So what I have done? I have simply replacing x to x plus 1. So this is f of x plus 1 and x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 2 minus 1. Now f of x plus 5 is greater than f of x plus 1 plus 4. Now putting the value of this f of x plus 1 is greater than equal to f of x plus 2 minus 1 in this equation, what we find? We find this f of x plus 5 is greater than f of x plus 2 plus 3. Now if you again replace this x to x plus 1, what you find? F of x plus 2 is greater than equal to f of x plus 3 minus 1. Again replacing here, replacing in this equation, what we find? We find this f of x plus 5 is greater than equal to f of x plus 3 plus 2. Again you replace x to x plus 1, what you find here? F of x plus 3 is greater than f of x plus 4 minus 1. Now putting f of x plus 3 here, what you find in this equation? F of x plus 5 is greater than equal to f of x plus 4 plus 1. Now from here, if f of x plus 5 is greater than equal to f of x plus 4 plus 1, what conclusion we can draw? Simply putting x plus 4 as x, we can draw conclusion f of x plus 1 is greater than equal to f of x plus 1. Now this result we have obtained here from this equation, and also it is given that from here, what is given? F of x plus 1 is less than equal to, it is given f of x plus 1 is less than equal to f of x plus 1. Now f of x plus 1 is less than equal to f of x plus 1, and from here, what about f of x plus 1? This is greater than equal to f of x plus 1. So what we draw finally, we can draw conclusion f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 1, because here it is greater than equal to f of x plus 1 and here it is less than equal to f of x plus 1. So this means the following two conditions holds only when f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 1 only. Now what is f of 1? F of 1 is 2. So what is f of 2? Putting x1, if you put x1, what you find f of 2 is equal to f of 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2 only. What about f of 3? If you put x as 2, what you find? F of 3 is equal to f of 2 plus 1. This is 3 only. And what about f of 4? If you put x as 3, f of 4 is equal to f of 3 plus 1. This is equal to 4 only. So what we need to find? We need to find the value of g of 2001. G of 2001 is equal to f of 2001 plus 1 minus 2001 from this equation. G of x is equal to f of x plus 1 minus x. It is given. Since g of x is equal to f of x plus 1 minus x. So g of 2001 is equal to f of 2001 plus 1 minus. From here, if you what we find, f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 2, f of 3 is equal to 3, f of 4 is equal to 4, and in this way f of 2001 is equal to how much? F of 2001 plus 1 minus 2001. So this is 2001 plus 1. So the answer is equal to 1. So hope you understand the solution and enjoy the video. Thank you and see you in next video.